That cactus I replanted, and none of the original cactus is there anymore. These are all the offspring. It's real original cactus. And I just dried up. That one is done. Let's see if there are any more. Tomato plant's growing. That's pretty good. No, not yet. It's looking like it wants to. That one's a good bloomer. It's good at blooming. Oh, somebody's been here. It looks like a seagull's been here. Jesus. I'm just kind of looking around, thinking, a little weeding to do, huh? A lot of snails. A lot of sweeping and weeding endlessly. What do you think? Should I go hiking? Wherever it is. Who's that? There's the weeding up here. Okay, that's the weeding for the day. As far as I'm going to go with work. All played and no work makes for a happy day. And the trees are happy too. Look at that. They're just green as can be. I just poked myself with something. Getting all itchy. Must be that thing. Is that thing itchy? No, I don't want any castor beans. Castor oil's good, but not castor bean. Oh, that guy's really something. Boy, that's quite the singer right there. I thought he'd stick around and sing some more. I guess not. Get my berries on it. I found the beehive. The friendly little bees. I like these little guys this year. They have not once attacked me or anything. They've been nice and cordial. Trying to find it. Oh, there it is. See them buzzing in and out of there. A friendly little busybody bee. I guess that's a bee, right? Yeah, nobody else acts like that. No fly act like that. No. I was gonna say, he's a fly. No. Okay, another cool day on May 20th, 2023. Today I may just have enough material to post another video. I don't know. No, I don't think I do. I don't know. Gotta look. Just another hike. My hiking shoes. These are really comfortable. Makes hiking a kind of like being in more of a luxury car, you know. Like imagine trying to hike this in sandals, you know. Probably better off just go barefoot. There's Screech. Where you going, Screech? Huh? I'm going right there. That's the big Screech. He's a big one. Better stay on that twig. It's so big. Screech, you been eating too much, huh? Looks like you're getting fat. Oh, well, there's a lot of baby squirrels running around here. It's filling me up. I see it. Oh, there goes the crow. The crow's gonna save the day against Screech. What you gotta say about that, Screech, huh? That crow diffing ya. So this is my camera. When something's going on, it starts freaking out. Oh well, reset time. Oh, come on. It won't turn off. Turn off. Oh, well, Screech is still there. He wasn't fazed by the big mean bully crow. Huh? He's a big mean bully, huh? Huh, Screech? You know, you don't hurt my feelings. I can care less. Okay, let's see. What'd you say? What? What's so going on over here, guys? Yeah, I like these little flowers. They're pretty good. What's going on in the party town? of springtime. Screech's still there. Hey, Screech, aren't you gonna fly away? He usually flies away when I walk her up right here. And he's not paying attention to me, that's why. He insists on sitting on that stupid little twig. Oh, hey, bird, how you doing? Hummers. Sorry for shooting you away, I thought you were a fly. The Hummers came right up to the camera going, hi, hi. I swapped my hand at him, thought it was a fly. Sorry about that, Hummers. Just trying to be sociable. Sorry. I've never seen a Hummer come up that close before. I guess all my talking to him works. Oh, Screech took off. Yeah, see, I told you he would. He usually leaves when I walk up this way. Oh, there's the butterfly. That guy's a good flyer. It's amazing. Well, the sun's trying to come out. It's cloudy a lot. All right, who's making that noise? Hey, stop making the noise. I think it's that baby squirrel I saw yesterday right in this area. Can't remember exactly where. Somewhere around here. Oh, it was over here. Hey, we got a lot of baby squirrels this year. It's squirrel season. What is that? Oh, it's a mock. Mock's being quiet. Being quiet, mock. That's unusual. Usually makes a ruckus. Well, I'm going to turn it on, see what happens. Okay, let's go over here, down by the river. See what's going on there, see if there's any wildlife to film. Sorry guys, did I scare you? Oh, that was weird. Man, everybody's attacking me. Hummingbirds, flies, butterflies. They're all on the attack. Or either that or trying to give me hugs. Can't tell which. That's a good one. That's a neat little weed there. Is that a weed? No. There's that singer. Did I catch him on camera? Yep, right there. There's some good hiding from me. I was get behind that one leaf or that one twig. So we didn't get any rain. So no stay for the pollywogs. Are you following me? You were up the canyon ways. He's following me. There's a hummingbird again. Hi, how are you doing? Hi, buddy. Yeah. Yeah. What you got over there, huh? Are those good flowers? Well, those little guys like them flowers too. Oh, finally some sun. Haven't seen the sun in a couple days. Peeking out. I got a little bit of water left. A couple more days to hurry up and grow up. Hurry up, guys. Don't be slow about it. I was thinking I should get a pump off of Craigslist for free or something somewhere. Run a hose over here and pump the river water in there. Because I know using city water is no good. That would just kill them. They put so much poison in that city water. But this water is good. This is all rainwater, natural rainwater, so good for the pollywogs. I don't think the pollywogs would be able to go in there though. There's a lot of fish in there, and they love pollywogs, I'm sure. Yep. See if our sparrows here. I'm always just making endless videos of me walking this trail up and down all the time. Someday, maybe someday I'll go somewhere else. For now, it's just here. I don't know, I was thinking about going to Claremont. Claremont's got some nice hiking trails. And a rare occasion, you catch some weird wildlife. Not very often, but sometimes. What is that? What the heck is that? Oh, there's a sparrow. I hear you. Hi. Hi, sparrow. I hear you beeping in there. Oh, there's an egg. Oh, I was going to go over and see what that is. Oh, no more castor bean. I don't want that growing here. It'll make it impossible for me to get through here. Looks like I'm the only one who comes over here. Okay, well, I don't know what that noise was. Oh, today's Saturday. I was going to say, where's all the employees? I guess they don't work on Saturday, do they? Yeah, these things here, kids, don't eat those. Those are very poisonous. This is the castor bean plant. And its seeds are very bad for you. See that? Stay away. I don't know of anybody ever eating a seed or what happened or anything. I guess I could Google it. Never really looked it up. Something going on over there with a helicopter. Must be circling. Let's go up here and find out. Okay. Here in the Toyota section, looking for much older than this. So I'll be lucky if I find anything. The prospects are not too good, but I thought I'd go out and look around. I'm hoping to get a igniter for the Toyota. Now they don't make the igniter anymore. I'd rather have a brand new one, but they don't make them. So all you can get is a used one. I'm thinking a used one might be better than the one I got. But of course the igniter is going to have to come from the exact car for the exact engine, because that's the way Toyotas are. Here's the Camry 2000. Let's see, what does the igniter look like on this? Man, in my book, these cars are still brand new. They shouldn't be here. In my book. I'll run cars to death though. But look at that alternator. That looks the same. Yeah, that looks the same. Same with that one. Huh. Yeah, see, every Toyota is so different. I can't even find the distributor. Yeah, but I guess I won't worry about it. Let's see. Yeah, notice there's not too many smushy cars. Back in the 80s, they have all the smushy cars here too that were in horrific accidents. They don't do that now in today's more sensitive world. On the other side, Hondas. Yeah, I'm gonna get a Honda someday, so I can find out about them. I don't know. They look pretty good to me. I don't know. Check one out if I can pick one up real cheap. Learn how to fix it. People go, "Oh, it's too hard." Really? Are you sure? I mean, the parts are made for you. All the engineering's already done for you. No. No, it's not hard. I'm just curious to know what other igniter looks like. Yeah, get a job where you got to do your own engineering and make your own parts. And you'll find out this is real relaxing and creative. I don't know, because I had to do that for 35 years. Well, here's somewhat of an old one right here. Oldie-ish. Let's see, what is it? Uh-oh, looks like they ran somebody over. Their head hit right there, right? Hear that, or a bowling ball hit right there. It's either a head or a bowling ball. What do you think? I'm surprised companies do this, because I hear there's not too much money in doing this. Parting out cars. A little pole action, it looks like. Yeah, this place I've been coming to since the early 90s. This is where I got the blue interior for my Mustang. My 73 Mustang in 1993, I think it was. I remember Teresa came with me and she was helping me carry the parts to the purchase. I think it was 93 or 92 maybe. One time I came down here to get suspension parts for the Mustang. I didn't really have to do all that. It was just a hobby, really. What the heck is that, a water park? This is Chula Vista, San Diego, down by the border on Energy Way. Pick your part. So I guess maybe I could do more, just looking for a 2.0, 2.0 engine. I think I got it sort of memorized what it looks like. Yeah, I'm not too optimistic. There's another one down there. I'm going to go over there. If all else fails, I could always get an igniter over the internet. And if I get really lucky, I can get a light cover. Wow. People are getting busy over here. Really, that far? Going that much out of your way, huh? I don't know, it's just kind of funny to look at. That one's kind of popular, huh? I guess because it's already kind of ripped apart. Okay, I found the sparrow. Tennis shoe sparrow. And then I just lost him. Where'd he go? Oh, he's up by the fence. He went back over here. Dude, the tennis shoe sparrow wants to come out and sing today. He owns these bushes right here. This is his house. Gigantic mansion. Sparrow mansion. I saw him flying here. Oh, look how tall the reeds are getting. Jeez. That's a crow.